Hi there, my name is Dylan Kaufman and I am your front desk training manager. Today I will be talking you through checking out a guest in our Opera system. Opera is the system that we use to check in and check out all guests as well as perform any room related activities. So if you follow the next video closely, by the end you should be able to check out a normal, regular, or fit paying guest. Thanks and enjoy the video. In this video you will learn how to check out a guest, a regular paying guest, a prepaid guest, a fit guest on the Opera system. The first step will be to log into Opera as normal. For checkout, you'll be using the reservation, the billing, and the cashiering tabs located on the top and the left. To get to the billing screen, you will log in using your Opera username and password. This is just an extra security step. Your first question to a guest will be, "May I have your room number, please?" Once collected, enter in the room number in the bar and hit search. Once a reservation pops up, confirm with the guest that this is the room via photo ID. On this screen, you will see all the guest charges, including room rates, food and beverage, and more. This screen is where you will be able to adjust charges that guests may have a discrepancy with. The arrow to the right shows any charges and the room rate for that night. The arrow to the right shows the total cost of the stay, and you can ask the guest how they will who would like to be paying. On this screen, you'll be able to see the balance and you will hit checkout, determining the payment code. If they'd like to pay with a credit card, enter the card number. The credit card screen will pop up and you will see that the guest has a zero balance. Right here, you'll see the guest has a zero balance. On this page, if you'd like to split the bill, simply adjust the charges off to a new window and repeat the process. If they want to put half cash, half card, you will split it, change the payment type, and the same process will apply. The next type of guest that we have is a prepay guest. This means the guest has paid everything before checkout. The steps will be the same and there will be no payment code collected. So to get there, you'll clear the screen and enter the new room number. You'll see the zero balance to the right. That means that this is a prepay reservation. That means they paid before they came in and no payment will be collected. Checkout step's the same. Click checkout on the box and it will automatically check them out and print 2 copies of the receipt. If they book through a third party, we only give them 1 receipt and keep 1 for our records, as third parties could sometimes ask for them. The next guest we will be looking at is a guest pay reservation. Very similar to the first reservation we saw, you will see the charges and at the top you'll see the remaining balance. You will ask the guest how they'd like to pay. And hit checkout. The same steps will apply. Change the payment code, the dollar amount, and post it. Give the guest a copy to sign and keep 1 for us. The next room we'll be looking at is called a direct bill. This means that it has been booked through a third party like Expedia. It may be called a fit walk-in as well. You'll see 2 screens. The one on the left with the zero balance is the guest charges. The one on the right is the bill that will be going directly to the third party source. Anything that the guest charges, they will be responsible for, but the overall taxes, resort fees, and room charges will be charged directly to this settlement screen. You will see it will go directly to the third party company. A guest may get a receipt of their charges, but they will not be able to get a receipt of the amount billed to the third party. If they ask for one, simply print them a folio of their charges. Sometimes a guest will give you the room number, but it doesn't pull anything up, so you may have to search for them manually and it may be already checked out. Make sure that you click the checked out box to the right, and you'll see sometimes people accidentally check out on accident via the TV. Let them know that they have already checked out and proceed on. Sometimes a guest may not know their room completely, so what you'll have to do is search by the guest's last name. Once you find the reservation, match it with a photo ID and carry on from there. This is how you check in guests or check out guests on the Opera system. You should now be able to successfully check out a guest. If you click the tab on the following page, you will be then linked to our Jeopardy training program. Make sure you complete this before stepping out on the floor. Thanks for your time.